Welcome, curious minds, to the Animal Explorer. Today, we dive into the enchanting world of seahorses, where facts are as captivating as the creatures themselves. Did you know that among all animal species, male seahorses hold the remarkable title of being pregnant and giving birth? It's a tale of love, responsibility, and unconventional parenting. Picture this: a delicate courtship dance where the female deposits her eggs into the male's pouch, sealing the bond of parenthood. Once the eggs are safely nestled in the pouch, the male fertilizes them, initiating the journey of new life within his pouch. For the next few weeks, the male carries the eggs, his abdomen swelling with anticipation as the embryos grow within. As the big moment approaches, the male's abdomen begins to sway rhythmically, signaling the onset of birth. With a series of strong contractions, the male proudly welcomes his offspring into the world, a magical sight to behold. The male's pouch serves as nature's equivalent of a womb, complete with a placenta to nourish and support the growing embryos. Did you know that seahorse eggs are not only visually stunning but also packed with essential nutrients, thanks to their rich carotenoid content? And there you have it, folks. The awe-inspiring journey of male seahorses, proving once again that nature never ceases to amaze. If you enjoyed this exploration, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to spread the wonder of the Insight Station. Until next time, stay curious.